Philippine Air Force (PAF) Air Mobility Command (AMC) Commander Major General Simeon Felix Jr., mentioned during the 68th anniversary celebration of 25th Tactical Helicopter Wing that 21 retired UH-1H from South Korea are being eyed to be added in Air Force inventory. Despite the emerging challenges, it is with great hope that the 25th Tactical Helicopter Wing sees a bright future with your brand new platforms like the S-76I Black Hawk that will be coming this fourth quarter. 6 of the Black Hawks will be coming, and the 21 UH-1H from Korea, Major General Felix said. In July this year, the Republic of Korea (ROK) Army retired its UH-1H helicopters with Kaiku-1 Syrian helicopters as replacements. According to report by Inquirer.net, a senior official said that the helicopter acquisition from South Korea is still being negotiated, adding that acquisition would also need the approval of United States where the Vietnam War helicopters originated. The Philippine Air Force (PAF) has set its sights on acquiring 21 used Bell UH-1H, or Huey, helicopters from South Korea to bolster its fleet. Major General Simeon Felix, chief of the PAF's Air Mobility Command, announced the acquisition plan at the 68th anniversary of the 25th Tactical Helicopter Wing on Thursday, September 24. He did not provide details, though. Foreign news reports said that South Korea officially retired all of its Huey helicopters from service in July this year. A senior official privy to the plan told Inquirer.net that the helicopter acquisition from South Korea was still being negotiated. The acquisition would also need the approval of the United States, where the Vietnam War helicopters originated, the official said. The 25th Tactical Helicopter Wing performs air transport, limited close air support, casualty evacuation operations through its Huey and Bell 412 EP combat utility helicopters. The unit is currently preparing to accept brand new aircraft. It is expecting to receive the first 6 units of brand new S-76I Black Hawk helicopters within the fourth quarter of 2020, Felix said. The Philippine government had ordered 16 Sikorsky S-70I Black Hawk helicopters worth P12 billion. The 10 other Black Hawks are expected to be delivered by 2021. The Bell 01 Iroquois, nicknamed Huey, is a utility military helicopter powered by a single turboshaft engine, with 2 bladed main and tail rotors. The first member of the prolific Huey family, it was developed by Bell Helicopter to meet a 1952 U.S. Army requirement for a medical evacuation and utility helicopter, and first flew in 1956. The L-1 was the first turbine-powered helicopter produced for the United States military, and more than 16,000 have been built since 1960. The Iroquois was originally designated Huey, hence the Huey nickname, which has remained in common use, despite the official redesignation to L-1 in 1962. The L-1 first saw service in combat operations during the Vietnam War, with around 7,000 helicopters deployed. The Bell 204 and 205 are Iroquois versions developed for the civil market.